Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Wii and checking system settings for available updates. This ensures compatibility. Once done, position the console close enough to the router so signal strength stays high, and make sure to note your network SSID and password, plus whether the router uses WPA or WPA2 security. You need those details in the next screen. Now navigate to the Wii settings menu and prepare to enter wireless setup. Work deliberately, because correct credentials avoid repeated retries and wasted time. You now go into Wii settings, then Internet, and pick a connection slot. This is the first actionable step. Once there, choose Search for an access point and select your SSID from the list. Type the password exactly, matching upper and lowercase. If your network is hidden, choose Other and manually enter the SSID, security type, and password. Make sure to save the connection and run the connection test so the system verifies IP address and DNS. These checks confirm the console can reach the network. You finish by running the connection test, read whether IP and DNS succeeded, and note any NAT or authentication errors so you can fix them. Once the test passes, open the Internet channel or Wii Shop and try loading a simple page to confirm browsing works. If something breaks, reboot the router and the Wii, then re-enter the password carefully. If issues persist, change the router wireless channel or temporarily disable MAC filtering. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves most connection headaches. Try it before deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.